Okay guys, welcome back to another video. This is a follow-up video from last week's post that I did. And today I'm featuring Jose. Jose, can you tell us what you're doing to the house today? What are we doing to the house today? We're painting it, right?
Yeah, we're painting everything. Started the first day, power washer, scraper, prep, later painting to cut the finish.
Another coat. And how long does this process take? The painting?
7 days.
7 days? Okay, and are you guys doing just the outside or the inside only?
Only right now, only outside.
Okay, and can you go with me over here to this side?
Yes.
So they chose to make it white, right? The house, to make it look beautiful, right?
Yeah, it's nice color, the white.
And you're painting the window trim as well, Jose?
Yes, the window too. Yeah.
Okay.
The window, the partly the.
And what is your friend doing here? Why is he putting down the paper?
Right now, I couple touches. I put one cold board inside this.
So you guys put this down so the paint doesn't drip onto the concrete.
It's very important to protect the floor. You know, it's good protection and professional too.
Okay, and usually, Jose, when you paint the house, do you start from the front to the back, or you start from the back to the front?
And the back for the front. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Can you show us the rest of the house?
Yes.
So Jose's gonna walk us and to the back and show us what he's done so far. So is the back done?
Yeah, the back is done. You see the door is nice color.
And see now the color combination, guys, it contrasts dark and light. So he's gonna walk us to the backyard and show us what else he's done back here.
Now all this done. Only couple touches. With the color.
And since it's a hot day, it dries faster, right, Jose?
Yes.
Okay.
Very fast today, you know. You see, it looks very good.
Right. What was the original color of the house? Do you remember?
It's polar bear.
Polar bear. So now it's
The
bright.
stucco, yeah,
Now it's
stucco.
bright white.
Yeah, and the dark color is espresso.
It's espresso.
Espresso lamp.
So this is like a Spanish style home?
Yeah.
Okay. Great. Thank you guys. So Jose just explained to us the process of painting. It's going to take a couple of days to dry, and then he's going to come back and retouch it.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you for watching Horizon Construction and Remodeling. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you, sir.